Received this nice looking Tesla 24-hour clock with 10-inch dial for inspection. Second hand, minute hand, a loose piece of cork gasket here from the bezel. Cork gaskets tend to shrink and pull themselves apart with age from time to time. This can be fixed with a little adhesive. Remove the reflector, remove the movement. If possible, it's best to use plastic or wooden tools to remove these dial clips to prevent gouges and scratches on the brass plates. Rust damage on the phenolic dial pan. Delamination of the phenolic here. Serial number dates the movement to 1943. Corrosion has set in where the lacquer finish has been compromised. Clear greenish colored crystals on the surface might be from salt water contamination. Steel screws show signs of rust corrosion. Someone damaged the protective surface here. It's allowed corrosion to start in on the raw brass in areas. Polished steel parts on the balance cock assembly have rust damage on them. Parts are deeply pitted. Looking at the front plate, more corrosion damage. Back barrel plate, mainspring barrel, ratchet wheel. The click spring has a slight kink in it. Old black dry grease on the second wheel pinion. Signs of rust on the pivot. Amazing this was a running movement with all this rust on it. Regulator arm. Using tape for some of these rusted parts helps to collect loose rust particles. Balance wheel assembly, escape wheel bridge, surface rust, second wheel. This clock was initially sent to me to be cleaned and lubricated. It's going to need a bit more than they expected. Time to contact the owner and see how they want to move forward on this movement.